Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how the labeled graphic mod works. And in this labeled graphic mod, what we were able to do is reposition these pop-outs that exist on your labeled graphic. So in this situation, for the most part, all of these pop-outs seem to be in a pretty good position, except for the stressful situations. Where really in the stressful situations, I would prefer that this open up on the left-hand side versus the right-hand side. But however, Rise is built in so that if it's on the left part of your image, it's gonna open up this pop-out on the right, and vice versa. If it's on the right side of the image, it opens up the pop-out on the left. But what we can do in our mod is if you go to this stressful situations card position, and we can say that we want this left aligned instead of right aligned, then when you pop it open, it will open up to the left side, allowing the learner to still see this part of the image that's important.